Things don't look all that different in our household during this time of year. While most families may be putting up lights, a tree, and more decor throughout their homes, the most noticeable change in this apartment is probably Cooper's notably longer and poofier winter coat. Otherwise, it's the same furniture, same bare white walls, same plants, same people. So when it comes to a minimalist holiday, you may be thinking, Christine and Peter are the most boring, bland family. Seriously, not even a few Christmas lights to brighten the mood? Minimalists take the fun out of everything. Peter and I aren't anti-holidays, but we've always erred on the side of practicality. Holiday decor is more of a hassle than it is a joy, as we often spend our time keeping busy with other activities. Of course, it's lovely to give gifts, appreciate one another, and feel warm and fuzzy with holiday traditions. But we don't see a need for all of that in this season of our lives. Who knows, that might change if and when we decide to have children of our own, but for now, simple and practical it is. I would say that our Asian culture and background led to this very practical, minimalist way of festivities. Peter grew up in Korea, and Christmas wasn't as big of a deal as it is here in the United States. And my parents are also immigrants from Taiwan, so while we celebrated Christmas, our family didn't do gifts. Sure, it was a bit sad as a child not to see presents under the Christmas tree every year, but my parents instilled different values during the holiday season, which are memories I look fondly upon as an adult now. Holidays as a child consisted of family gatherings around the dinner table. Whether it was a delicious hot pot or dumplings made from scratch, there was nothing better than to have everyone home for an extended break, sharing family time and good food. We'd spend time at our church as well, and I remember always having fun playing with my friends at the church and participating in Christmas activities together. If we had the chance, our family would also plan to go sledding, hike the local trails, or visit national parks. Fast forward to the present day, and my family continues to keep it simple with our family meals and a trip to a different city or national park. Though this year is a bit different, Peter and I still plan to have a big meal with our immediate family and hope to go outdoors to explore our local area if possible. There's nothing wrong with a meaningful gift either. We tend to purchase gifts we think our loved ones genuinely need or would appreciate. This year, since we're quite busy baking for Christine's Cookie Co., we plan on gifting our cookies, as we believe they are a crowd pleaser and they're also made with lots of love. But if you're wondering about more specific gift ideas, I'll be sure to link last year's video as it gives a good overview of minimalist-friendly gifts and zero-waste gift wrapping tutorials, as well as a link to order our cookies since there's just a few days left to gift cookies this season. My practical upbringing is quite complementary to the minimalist lifestyle, but I know that's not the case for everyone. We all come from different backgrounds and have different holiday traditions, and some families will hold traditions more tightly than others. But if there's anything we can do during this season, it's to remember what's most important beyond all that the holidays have become in our consumeristic society. The holidays are more than buying the perfect gifts or having the perfect decorations. For us, we look forward to the Christmas season as it's a time to remember Christ's coming and for the extended family time that we'll get to spend with our loved ones. So what does the holiday season truly mean for you? I know that this year has come with its fair share of trials and tribulations, and that many of us will not be able to make it back home for the holidays with travel restrictions in place. However, I hope you can find little bits of joy this season as we make a turn towards the new year. Be sure to cherish the relationships you have, whether through a video call, thoughtfully written note, or a box of cookies. Wishing you all a rest and peace-filled winter break, and I hope this video was an encouragement to focus on the simple yet meaningful things this holiday season.